Today we're going to compare 4 different materials to use as backdrops for your Atmos Halloween projections. We have a shower stall liner, sheer curtain, the official Hollusion material, and some chiffon from Joann's Fabrics. All of these have been recommended online, so let's see what works out best. This first test is the cheapest of all the options. It's the shower stall liner from Walmart. This is the second cheapest option. This is also from Walmart, and it's just a regular gray sheer curtain. This third test is the chiffon from Joann's Fabrics. It's a light gray color. And last, we have the official Atmos Hollusion material. I hope this made your backdrop material selection easier, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.